Welcome back to Tecnoguías. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download music from YouTube audio for free in 2024. The first thing we are going to do is search YouTube in Chrome. Okay, we enter the name youtube.com. Okay, we can see desktop site. If you don't know how to enter, go to in the upper right corner the three dots appear and blue is activate. Okay, we go to the three lines in the upper left corner and go to YouTube Studio here. And we go to expand the screen and go to the last icon, audio library. You can enter, for example, this and download here. It's very quick and simple, guys. This music has not copyright. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell us what you think. That was all.